Are you tired of the bright white background in Google Drive that strains your eyes? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn on dark mode for Google Drive on your desktop in 2025. It's easy, looks amazing, and can even help reduce eye strain during those late night work sessions. Let's get started. First, let's clear up one thing. Google Drive on desktop doesn't have a native dark mode toggle in all browsers yet. But don't worry, I'll show you two simple and reliable ways to achieve it, using your browser's dark mode. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or any Chromium-based browser, go to your browser settings. Look for Impetuous Appearance or Theme options and switch it to dark. Many modern browsers now sync this automatically with your operating system's dark mode settings. Once it's enabled, open Google Drive and it will automatically display in dark mode or a darker theme for supported sections. Using an extension. If your browser doesn't fully support dark mode for Google Drive, install a trusted dark mode extension. Search for extensions like Dark Reader or similar from the Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension marketplace. After installing, activate it for Google Drive. These extensions allow you to customize brightness, contrast, and even schedule dark mode for nighttime use. If you're using Google Drive via the Google Workspace settings or in a work account, sometimes the theme is controlled by your admin settings. If dark mode isn't working, check your account permissions or contact your admin. With these methods, you can enjoy a sleek, dark interface that's easier on the eyes and looks modern at the same time. And that's it! Now you know exactly how to use Google Drive in dark mode on your desktop in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and share this video with someone who works late nights just like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.